dat... de camera staat niet aan.
Dan doen we het nieuw.
Ja. Hello, we're here in the main hall, and I'm here with Leon.
Yeah,
Hi,
I'm Leon.
Hi. Leon, what do you do here at Mercachem?
I'm a senior group leader in medicinal chemistry.
Okay. And how long have you been doing that?
Well, I've been a group leader for quite a while now. Started out in discovery chemistry. So I've been a group leader, I guess, for almost 10 years now. And 5 years ago, I became involved in medicinal chemistry as we ventured out into medicinal chemistry as a company.
Yeah. Because here at Mercachem, we are medicinal. We are
in our core, we are maybe synthetic chemistry or organic chemistry, but we do so much more now than we did in the early start 20 years ago.
Yeah.
So nowadays, there's, as you know, we do parallel chemistry, but we have process chemistry as well. We do GMP production.
Yes.
And since about 8 years ago, we started with medicinal chemistry. That started to become very serious about 5 years ago.
Okay. I just want to come back to the point where you said Mercachem is mainly a synthetic company.
Well, in our DNA, maybe.
Yeah. Because I got the impression, of course we are that, but we also because we make so many pharmaceuticals, or we try to make pharmaceuticals.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. I mean, the majority of our customers are pharmaceutical companies. For sure. Yeah. That's absolutely true.
Yeah. But then I can imagine that the applicability towards the biology is also very important.
Oh, definitely. But that goes with all the departments. I mean, to say that we're the only department that cares about biology is definitely not true. But we're maybe more involved to that extent. Yeah. But definitely, also in discovery chemistry, we mainly work for pharmaceutical companies. We make drug-like compounds. We make reference compounds. We make tool compounds. We make lead-like compounds. We do all that kind of stuff is also being done in discovery chemistry. The difference, though, being in medicinal chemistry, we also get involved in the design of new compounds, and that's what basically sets us apart from discovery chemistry.
Okay. Yeah. And how has Mercachem changed as opposed to in the beginning up till now over the 12 years?
Well, I would say I'm not sure if we have really changed in our very nature, but we've gone much more professional.
Okay.
You know, with the facilities that we have right now, it's more on the high end of the scale, whereas in the beginning, of course, we had hardly any fantastic tools, whereas nowadays you go to the analytical lab, it's filled with the best equipment money can buy. Whereas in the early days, we would be a bit more creative in order to get the data that we needed.
I spoke to someone that said we didn't even have LCMS in the beginning.
That's true. And also, for example, if you take a look at the electronic lab notebooks, in the beginning we worked with paper notebooks. And whereas nowadays we have the state-of-the-art electronic facility that is really giving a huge boost to working here in general.
So that's lucky for us new ones.
Absolutely.
Yes.
We don't want to go back to those old days.
No. Do you know where it's heading?
Where Mercachem is heading?
No.
I think we'll be heading towards a one-stop shop, a company that's able to find a hit compound for you and to develop that all the way until a preclinical candidate. And that's where we want to go, actually, I think.
Yeah. I think we have a pretty rounded up story here. I just have one more question for you. If Mercachem is a body, which part are you?
Which part? Oh, that's a good question. Wow. Again, oh my goodness, that's a really tough question. I would be a small piece of the heart. A small piece, though. Not the whole heart, but a small piece. Maybe the artery. No, but I'm very passionate about my work. That's mainly what I wanted to say. The heart being, of course, being seen as the part that's most symbolized as passion. Of course, yes. I would say I'm a part of the heart, but I'm not, of course, so important as a person myself. It's the company as a whole that's making the difference. It's not so much what I'm doing myself. No, I really need my colleagues to excel at what I do.
Yeah.